Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla faulty rear-view camera short-circuit warnings and the possible causes that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, a rear-view camera short-circuit warning may appear, and the rear camera image may become unavailable or disable intermittently. This can affect reverse camera display and related visual assistance features, especially during startup or when shifting into reverse. Propulsion, steering, and braking systems remain operational, but rear visibility assistance can be reduced. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, camera hardware design, wiring routing, and environmental exposure rather than indicating a universal camera system failure. Verified information shows that one documented factor involves rear camera wiring and connector integrity. The rear camera operates on low-voltage circuits with built-in electrical protection. Damage to wiring insulation, loose connectors, or pin corrosion can cause abnormal current readings that trigger a short-circuit warning and lead the system to disable the camera as a protective measure. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage, climate exposure, or prior rear body or trunk service, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Moisture intrusion has also been reviewed. The rear camera and its wiring are exposed to weather conditions at the rear of the vehicle. As a possible contributing factor, water ingress from heavy rain, car washes, or condensation could be related to short-circuit warnings in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Camera module and electrical protection behavior is another documented consideration. Tesla systems are designed to shut down components when abnormal electrical conditions are detected to prevent further damage. In some cases, temporary voltage irregularities during startup or after software updates may trigger warnings until the system stabilizes. Interaction between the rear camera hardware and the infotainment system has also been reviewed. Software updates or system restarts can change how faults are detected or reported, potentially making pre-existing electrical issues more noticeable. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include inspection of rear camera wiring and connectors, checking for signs of moisture or corrosion, allowing the vehicle to complete full sleep and wake cycles, and monitoring whether the warning clears over time. If the warning persists, service inspection is recommended to evaluate the camera module, wiring integrity, and related control circuits. Reviewed information indicates that rear-view camera short-circuit warnings are not universal and often relate to wiring condition, environmental exposure, electrical protection behavior, or hardware-software interaction rather than a loss of core vehicle functionality. In conclusion, Tesla faulty rear-view camera short-circuit warnings are generally linked to electrical protection responses caused by wiring issues, moisture exposure, connector condition, or system communication behavior rather than failure of driving systems. The issue varies by vehicle configuration and conditions, and proper diagnostic evaluation is required to determine the appropriate corrective action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.